everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to invite you to my newest DIY and decor challenge. It is May, which is one of my favorite months because everything's starting to bloom. We had a really long winter here. It seemed like it snowed from October to April, which it did. I am so excited for outdoor decor, for plants, for flowers, for gardening, all that sort of thing. And if you are too, I want to invite you to my outdoor DIY and decor challenge. So every couple months I put out these DIY and decor challenges with different themes. This one is outdoors. So if you have a YouTube channel, you are invited to join my challenge. I'm going to make up a playlist and you can add your video to the playlist the Friday before the challenge. So we're all going to upload our outdoor themed DIY and decor videos on Saturday, May 26th, 2018. So that gives you 3 whole weeks to come up with your idea, to film it, and to schedule it on your channel for Saturday, May 26th. Then make sure to pop back here on the Friday or the Saturday to add your own video to the playlist. I'll leave a link in the description box below of this video, and you can just click on that and you can add your video to my playlist. Then I'm going to invite everybody to watch all of the videos in the playlist. This is a great way to find other channels that do the same thing as you, to get creative with a theme, and also to gain more subscribers to your channel. So your outdoor project could be really anything DIY or decor themed. So you could be making something, you could be showing us how you garden, you could be decorating your patio, anything like that that is outdoor themed. I really can't wait to see everybody's DIY and decor ideas for the outside. I'm so excited that spring is here and that warmer weather is here and that we can hang out outside finally now and not be freezing our behinds off. So again, make sure to upload your video Saturday, May 26th. Put the outdoor DIY and decor challenge somewhere in your title so that people can find it really easily. Please make sure to mention me and my channel in your video and in your description box so people can check out my video on my channel, and then they'll be able to access the playlist to see everybody's videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you can join the challenge this season. Can't wait to see everybody's videos. Bye.